Well, this is the beginning of part 2 of this restoration, and it's gonna come out pretty crazy. But we're gonna strip everything, even though these seats are not too bad. They're really not. But you know what? We're gonna swap them out. Because the gentleman there's one down. Trying to get the seat right here off, the very front one. Alright, so essentially in here, you come in here, you got a couple screws. You got one there, and then there's also one over here in the corner. It's hard to see, but it's right there. So once you get those 3 off, you should get this front area off, so you can take this off so we can reupholster. Like I said, it's not bad, but the customer wants new. Okay, so it doesn't have, I don't think, any more screws. Let's see. And there goes. Voila! There we go. I think I'm gonna go ahead and copy this template and offer the upholstery on my website, luxuryribtenders.com, because at the end of the day, maybe somebody wants to do this project on their own. They want to revamp the little Nautica. So I'm going to probably do this for the 13.5 and the 15. So you guys can get an upholstery kit while I'm at it. Alright. Alright, so taking off all these things, because we're going to do a real good cleaning on this. But I want to see something though. I got a Nautica 15 here. I want to see if these fit here, because if they do, I might go ahead and make these too and have them for sale on where? At luxuryribtenders.com. Your advertising source for inflatable parts, people. I'm just trying to make it easier for everybody, bro. Relax. Look, I'm just coming real quick, just to take away from the 15, because this is, see how it's here and it's exposed. This one has a little functional area, so I'm digging this. So you see, this is just a lid, and this is like I'm liking this feature. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I make a couple of these. I got just a guy to take it to. Compared to that just, it's, you know, useless space. Yeah, it's space, but it's, who wants to go ahead and put their stuff to stay dirty in there? We're back to the 13.5. So check it out. So we got the piece here, right? But the other side, it doesn't have it, because obviously here's where the battery goes. Okay. So, but I'm digging this. I like this. You know, put that in there. You have a little dry area. You know, it's gonna stay. One of the things I don't like about these Nauticas, like this little hatch here, I think it's useless. I mean, it's not big. It should be big, open area. But you work with what you got. That's one of the things I don't like about these. And this storage situation, I like how Novarania has it, that they have a whole cooler here and you just pop it open. So that's functional. You know, you can use it for, you know, a couple cold drinks, whatnot, you know. But I guess they said, oh well, we'll use this thing. But this is not that big. But it will be functional, like a little ice box. Alright guys, so here we're taking off the front from the console of this 13.5, because what we're going to do is we're going to make a mold here, so we can go ahead and start selling this for people that might want this. So the way it'll work out is you send us your old set, we'll send you a brand new set, and it's an even trade. Obviously there's an expense here, stuff like that, but at least you have the option now. You'll have the option. Right, there we go. We have it completely naked. Now what we got to do is we got to get someone to make this PVC piece with this cushion here. See how it's actually thicker here, and then it tapers off to smaller here. So we got to get somebody that can do that with this piece, so that we can have it. I mean, imagine we're trying to reverse engineer whatever the manufacturer did, because the manufacturer doesn't exist anymore. So, but it's good. Instead of reupholstering it and having somebody do all the hard work, we're going to go ahead and we're going to do it. And all you have to do is send us the old one and we'll get you a new one. The 13.5 and the 15 model. So we're taking off the foam because we're going to use another foam that's actually better to duplicate this. Cutting all the foam here. Maria, you want to be on camera? And there you go. She's all coming. We're gonna check everything along the way. We're gonna check to make sure that this boat, the guts and everything is good. So that's the whole idea of this restoration. All right, so we're getting into it right now, and we're getting completely into it because look, these are the kind of things that you really can't show the customers, because they freak out. And you're getting into the guts. It's almost like talking to a surgeon. You know, before he gives you surgery and he goes, oh look, let me show you a video of me working, and then you see somebody's guts all everywhere. It's just not something you want to see. You just want to wake up and the boat's fine and everything is good, okay? So the reason I'm going through all this is because I want to make sure everything is good and functional. If it's not good, I'm taking it out and I'm putting it new. So that's where we're at right now. We're gonna have all the space to look at all the wiring and all that stuff. That's kind of the reason why we're also doing that, is we're gonna have more space to really get into the guts of the boat, make sure everything is good. If something is not good, eliminate it. If it's not being used, if it's not supposed to be there, we get rid of it. So that's where we're at right now. There you go. There you go. And we are in the boat. Oh my God. Right now everybody's like, oh my God. One of the reasons why we open all this up, okay, because look, this one cable was off. So to get access, to find out, we're doing wire by wire. We're checking everything now. We're gonna check everything, make sure everything is good, and go and deep get in here. Do you see? Yeah, because the last thing you want is to be on a mission when something doesn't work. Yeah, so we're upgrading the steering wheel. We took it off of another boat that we got here, and we're giving a freebie to Patrick. Relax, Patrick. Stop. Your heart is beating, buddy. Relax. Take it down a notch. All right, the bilge is perfect. Put it on. We got the gas being pumped out. We got it going into 2 different tanks, making sure we get everything out of the system. See right here, we have it hooked up. All right, so we're just putting now good gas in here, back into the tank, and we're gonna mix the tank around and then pump it out so there's no bad gas left inside there. So that, we want to make sure that this new engine that it's going to get good fuel when we fill it up. Yeah, so we're throwing a little bit of water in here now, because I always like to double check and triple check, make sure that, especially in these boats that have been sitting for a while, that bilge pump is working fine. And I'll clean all this up after the fact, but I definitely want to make sure that bilge is working real good. See, he's just turned it on. Let's see if it starts spitting it out. Nada. Let's see, put it back in there. It has to be all clogged up. There we go. All right, guys, so we're doing now the fun stuff. I got Jose here. Jose is the man when it comes to polishing over here at the shop. He did that Apex that we have back there. Oof, that was terrible. So we're using 600, 800, 1,000, 2,000. I don't know. It's coming out good. We've stripped everything off of the boat, so we can go ahead and get everything. We took the windshield off. Everything is coming off, and we're sanding it down now, the entire boat, and then we're going to start polishing it up to give it a nice gloss. So that's the process, people. I'm telling you, this thing is going to be a lot of work, but this guy's going to have a brand new boat, brand new looking boat, for half the price of a brand new boat. Got this 1,000 sandpaper. We're wet sanding right now, making sure everything and all these hatches and stuff like that. We gotta get all that stuff off. Hey, let me show you our tools. I want you guys to see our homemade tools. Look at this. This was a Chinese stainless steel knife that was made specifically for this job. So I'm not selling this one on my website, people. It'll be a shameless thing for me to do. All right. So we got some progress. We got some progress here. So check it out. Jose's already done 600, 1,000, I think 1,500 and 2,000 grit, just to get it nice and clean looking for polishing. I mean, it's bare. This stuff we're not going to take off because they're going to put new Suzuki stuff on this, so we can't do that. But it's getting there. It's getting there. This is the last hand, and then the polishing starts. Once that polishing starts, oof, we're not going to recognize this thing. Okay, so look, we have at the shop, we made this tube because, you know, we're selling tubes on the website, and we might have some, obviously we have used tubes and we have new tubes. Obviously we can make any tube, but this is a tube that we have that's made already. So we're going to put it on this 13.5 wide body. That's not the color and the direction I want to go, but I want to put it on there just in case. Maybe I might change my mind. And besides, I told Patrick, look, let's match your boat. Let's make it match your boat. So we're going to put it on here just so we can see how it looks. All right, so we're just putting this one like to but I don't want it to be gray. I want it to be Arctic gray. And I want to incorporate like a blue theme here. So, all right, just an idea. All right, here's the moment of truth. We're gonna see how much after sanding. Well, I mean, look, anything with paint and stuff like that and gel coat, you wanna prep. Guys, look at this. This thing's already new. It's already new. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, I'm doing this so you guys can see that you guys can do this too. And if you can't do it, you don't want to do it, you know someone who can. You will have to pay for it though. All right, guys, so check it out. I'm telling you guys, this is a full restoration. So what we're doing is we're polishing the bottom of the boat now, making sure that everything is perfect. Look how naked she is. She's naked and afraid, people, but she's gonna look beautiful when she's all done. Look at this. I mean, she's a little dirty right now because we're still working on her, but it's getting there. It is getting there. Now, I I changed the steering wheel. I'm also going to change these things here, and I'm going to put them stainless steel so it looks nicer, and chrome. So we got a lot of work going on. This week coming up is going to be very, 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 very transformative for this boat. All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do the base in this white. We're going to do the stripes in this blue, and we're going to do the bimini in this sunbrella navy. So I think this will match really nice with the customer's boat. I got these other options too. I don't know, I don't like the way that contrasts, and this Captain Navy I think is a little bit too dark. It looks almost black, so I'm going with the navy and this combination right here.
See these little guys? These things?
Mm-hmm.
I've got them. Not too many people have them. Not like that. I mean, I might have made them fucking rich. I'm not kidding.
Alright, so we're getting all the inside all cleaned up now. We're getting everything. And remember, we got to make this guy look, I mean, night and day. Alright, so it's time, it's patience, but little by little, we're getting it. It's a big restoration here, but I'm telling you, the customer's going to be super happy. We're trying out Starbright. It's a non-skid deck cleaner, and obviously this thing is pretty nasty right now. So we'll see. We'll see if this thing is as good as it should be. Alright, supposedly it says lifts dirt from non-skid surfaces, leaves non-slippery protective polymer coating. I don't represent this company, but I do try out a lot of products just to see what works and what doesn't, so we'll see.